Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes 4 methods to fix mobile hotspot is not working on Windows 11. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Mobile Hotspot Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method, type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click and expand WLAN SVC, click and expand parameters, click and expand hosted network settings. Delete hosted network settings. Third method is network reset. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.